Hi everyone. In this video we will learn how to disable Github Copilot in VS Code. As you can see, I have already opened the VS Code. Now to disable it, you have to click on File, here, go to Preferences, and here we need to go to Extensions. Now when you open it, you will see these options, the extensions that you have installed, and here you will find Github Copilot and Github Copilot Chat. Click on this icon and click on Disable. Now click here, Restart Extensions. Now as you can see, the chat window is completely gone, and you can simply click here and click on this Hide Secondary Sidebar to hide this part. That's all what you need to disable the Github Copilot in VS Code. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.